Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with one more video, and today we have Gauri with us. She'll be giving us complete insight regarding Schneider Electric company, and she's a good friend and also a good human being. Today she'll be giving a complete insight regarding what is a company is all about and what are the technology it will be using at its platform. Later she'll be giving a small insight regarding its internship and also mainly the interview experience and its payroll and its package and also the service agreement. And without wasting much time, let's start the talk. And before that, guys, I would like to mention that we also have a Telegram community group. If you're not yet joined our group, link has been provided in the description. One thing, guys, the main benefit of being in the group is you can ask any kind of questions with respect to any company. People in the community will surely help you. And it was all about our community. So without wasting much time, we'll jump to the talk with Gauri. So Gauri, welcome to the channel first of all.
Hi.
So Gauri, firstly, congratulations to you for being placed at Schneider Electric.
Thank you.
So Gauri, nothing, just give a small insight regarding what is this company is all about. What is?
So Schneider Electric is a French company.
Mhm.
It produces electrical and electronics components, and it's also into digital stuff.
Okay.
And it works towards sustainability and
Okay.
environmental friendly
Okay.
inventions and marketing and everything.
Got it. So basically, you're from EEI background, right? EEI.
Yes, electrical and electronics. Yes.
Got it. Got it. So Gauri, coming to its hiring procedure, when compared to other companies, whether its hiring procedure is similar or a bit different. Can you talk on that?
I mean, what we had was firstly we had 30 MCQs for 30 minutes,
Okay.
and it was all core based, electrical related to power electronics, some
Okay.
signal systems, microcontrollers based.
Okay.
And after that we had what they call psychometric assessment, I guess.
Mhm.
We had these puzzles like Sudoku puzzles, and we had this symmetry, and then they give us parallelly another memory based
Okay.
puzzles,
Mhm.
and a few others I had, I guess. And after that, these were timed. And
Mhm.
after that, we had, I guess, your personality quiz type. They give us two sentences. They
Mhm.
compare which one.
Behavioral analysis, I guess.
Behavior. Yes, behavioral analysis. And yeah, that was it. I guess
So-
it took around 2.5 hours.
So basically, no coding, anything. Only.
No.
No.
I mean, you have to choose first. They give you
Okay.
options. A lot of job descriptions you
Okay.
have.
Mhm.
There are branches like research and development, digital, and electric automation. What I chose was electric automation, so I guess that's why I didn't have any coding part.
Okay.
So if you would have chosen any others, probably you'd have it.
So basically, based upon what you choose, the domain role,
Yes.
basically. So
Yes.
based upon that, coding may there, I may not. Got it.
Yes.
So coming to its time taken. So what is the time taken to get the assessment result?
The assessment results, actually, what we had was one branch got results at different times
Mhm.
in our college.
Okay.
First, E&I branch got, and then after
Mhm.
a few weeks, another branch. That's what.
Got it. So basically, it was within a 1 or 2 weeks of time, you will be getting assessment result, probably.
Yeah, that was what we had. It
Mhm.
depends.
Okay, got it. So basically, it was on-campus hiring, right? On campus.
Yes.
Got it. So coming to TR, how it went? Technical round.
So there were two of them interviewing me,
Okay.
and I started out introducing myself. And after introducing, I already started telling about my project and all.
Okay.
And a major part of my interview, not a major, 6 minutes probably out of 30 minutes of
Major
technical interview,
Mhm.
I told them about my project.
Mhm.
And what happened was then they asked me about my electrical and electronics related questions.
Mhm.
First they asked me which were my favorite subjects. I told them it was transformers, generators,
Okay.
and motors.
Mhm.
So they asked me what's your how would you choose a transformer, like practical stuff.
Mhm.
And also as you keep answering, they ask you more questions based on what you answer.
Okay.
So they dig deeper into whatever you know.
Mhm.
And then the other person asked about electronics part, which
Okay.
I didn't mention that
Okay.
was my favorite.
Okay.
Again, that happened. Microcontrollers, difference between microcontroller and microprocessors. They also asked me why I didn't go into coding.
Coding. Okay.
I just said I probably had more interest in this because both my parents were electrical engineers, and
Okay.
so them said it was interesting. So the interview was like casual, professional.
Okay.
What I went through was that. I don't know about other people.
Okay. Got it. Got it. So basically, there were no situation-based questions, right?
No.
Oh, got it. Okay, this much after projecting and also some asking some questions regarding the core knowledge. Apart from that, nothing.
They asked me if I was ready to relocate anywhere in India. Yeah.
So just wanted to ask, like, how many members were there in panelists in TR?
Two of them.
Okay, got it. So coming to the time taken, what is the time taken to get the TR results?
They had given us 30-minute slot and they finished it roughly around 27 to 28 minutes.
Achha, on the same day, I guess you got the result of TR.
Yes, I got it on the same day after about 1.5 hours of my interview.
Okay, so then how HR went?
HR, first I logged in and I was confused if I should introduce myself first or he'll ask me to. So 3 seconds I was just sitting there blankly. Anyway, I asked him again, sir, should I introduce? So he was nice and he just told me, no, it's fine, I have your resume.
Okay.
And then he started asking me about my hobbies and all, and cooking and all. Deeply, they just check if you are actually good at it or just bluffing in the resume. And again, I had some special achievements column in my resume. I had a few of them.
Extracurriculum.
Yes, extracurricular. And what else I had? I had actually designed my resume with a Word template. It was actually matching to the color of that company's logo.
That's what got attracted, I guess.
Yes, I guess so.
So basically, seeing to the conclusion, what you said, and it was like a casual talk, right?
Casual, yes.
Talk. So did they ask anything regarding your family background, anything?
No, not to me, but I do know another person who got placed in the same department. They asked her about.
Got it. So time taken to get the HR result?
30-minute slot, but again 20 minutes it was over. He also asked me about my mini project that I had. Yes.
So I guess within the same day you got even HR results, I guess.
No, the HR results I got the next day, evening, to my college placements there.
So within 24 hours you got HR results?
Yes.
Got it, Gauri, got it. So Gauri, now we'll look into its internship thing, okay? So just give a small insight regarding its role. So what is the role basically?
So we get hired as graduate engineer trainee. Everyone who is recruited is designated that.
Okay, so basically coming to its internship, what is the total period of internship?
So they give you 6 months of internship and they pay you 25,000 per month. And the internship is not for all the departments, only some of them get it.
Okay, it's a kind of specific department. So.
Yes.
Okay, coming to its service agreement, any bond, anything like that?
No, there's no service agreement.
Got it, Gauri, got it. So coming to its package, any pay structure, any talk on that?
So the TTC, what they call it, is 7.5 LPA.
Okay.
And if you stay for 1 year, they pay you 1.5 LPA lakhs as bonus.
Okay.
So it's 9 LPA, the package. And the same is for next year. Again, if you stay for another year, they pay you another 1.5 lakhs.
Achha, basically, the payroll is 7 LPA according to the agreement. So if you stay
7.5.
7.5, sorry. And if you stay for 1 year, you will be getting a bonus and followed by the next year also. Right? Got it. So I guess we have covered the hiring procedure and also the payroll. The final question, basically it's a default question to our interview talk. Any suggestions to audience, Gauri?
So what I think they need to have is confidence and be really good at communicating what they know. Because again, what's the use if you can't tell the interviewer what you know? I mean, I know so many people who know the subject much better than me, but they struggle to communicate. I think people need to work on that.
And I completely agree with you, Gauri. So like what she's saying, trying to say is, many people know everything and they are, strong at technical knowledge, but they don't know how to express what they know. So knowing many things but don't know how to express the thing, then it's just a total, waste of having the knowledge in that. So just try to work on your communication, guys, because communication is the king during the interview thing and all. I'm not saying, to be a fluent in the communication, just have a common sense of using proper word at proper time. So that much is enough to be cracking any kind of interview. And I guess we have covered everything, Gauri. So yeah, guys, this is all about today's talk. Gauri, once again, thank you for taking time and joining us today, giving your valuable suggestions to audience. I guess that.
Thank you for having me on the interview.
And I guess all your suggestions are going to be impactful to our audience. They'll try to implement in their preparation too. And yeah, guys, this is all about today's talk. And as I mentioned earlier, if you're not yet joined our group, just click on our link and just go and be in the group. And just make use of our community. Even Gauri will be part of that community. If you want to ask any kind of questions with respect to this company, she will be there to help you. You can ping her, you can approach her to get any suggestions from her. She will be there in the community. And yeah, guys, this is all about today's talk. Gauri, once again, thank you to joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Pleasure, Gauri, pleasure. And yeah, guys, this is all about today's talk. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.